What's up, guys? Travis, Everything Attachments, outside the EA factory here on a Friday morning. No, I hadn't done a factory walk in a while, so I'm getting ready to call it a day. We have a long Labor Day weekend. Hope you guys have some nice plans for yours. What we have here, that's our legendary little Bobcat tractor. It's one of the machines that got our compact grapples, wicked grapples, off to the start. Back in that first video with our 50-inch single lid, under 300 pounds. See, that canopy has seen better days, but hey, good news is she's still purring. 288 hours, half a tank of diesel fuel. I tell you, that's low hours, so anybody wanting a nice tractor, I'm sure Ted might sell it for the right price. You know, it's been treated well. But check out what's behind it here with all the augers, post hole diggers. Guys been ordering up some post hole diggers here lately for, you know, the weather's starting to calm down in a lot of the country. Well, not calm down, some horrible storm with Hurricane Ida coming through. Hope you guys are doing okay after that. I've seen some pretty bad damage, and guys out there making use of their wicked grapples, some wishing they had their wicked grapples, but I assure you we're working hard on that. But what we have behind this Bobcat, you know, the Bobcat right here, the little CT-122, it's a small compact tractor, so it's more along the size of like a B series Kubota, 2 series Deere. So this post hole digger we have behind it is our Landshark subcompact model. It also works great on these small compacts. So if you'll notice, if you've seen many pictures of post hole diggers, you'll notice how close this auger is to the tractor. So we've got this geometry just dialed in to keep that auger close, which really maximizes your ability to get the auger out of the ground if it decides it wants to screw in there like a corkscrew a little too fast, which, you know, can be common in some difficult soil conditions. So first design of this one, we had the hoop, which obviously you can tell what the hoop is there. It was below the boom, which you'll find on a lot of other post hole diggers on the market, but it didn't take us long. I don't know, we probably sold it like that for a couple years, and they did well. But you know, EA, we always are out to improve our products. So Ted and Nate went to the drawing board and fixed this one. Not really fixed it, but enhanced it to be like the rest of our post hole digger lineup. So the hoop is above the boom now. You have some adjustments there so you can dial it in perfectly to the tractor you're putting it on. Standard, it comes with a 3-foot long auger. You can get it with a 6, 9, or 12. See, this one has a 3-foot long auger on it. And with this new geometry, I mean, you can tell I don't have that lift. Maybe it's got a long way to go before it's all the way up, but you can see got well over a foot of ground clearance there with this 3-foot auger. So we can substitute the 48-inch long auger in lieu of that if requested. So that's just something to keep in mind. But our post hole diggers, all the category 1 post hole diggers ship to your house, FedEx ground. So that's something that's pretty cool. We box them up, ship them free to your house within 1,000 miles. And even if you're out of our 1,000 mile zone, some people don't realize just how good of freight rates we get. So don't let that discourage you from buying EA, or at least inquiring about EA, because I just blow people's minds with the freight rates we get. So even on the West Coast, I mean, we sell out there all the time. I'm gonna lower this thing down and we'll take a little quick walk through the factory here. So in a minute you can see a few more things. Oh, by the way, post hole diggers, a lot of them have been going out quicker than our bigger stuff like grapples and, you know, the deal and all that. So just keep that in mind. Just plan ahead as always, but certain things here lately have been going a little faster. So if you have a garden in mind for the springtime, you want to get a jump start on preparedness, we have our garden bedders here. Look at all those frames in stock. There's our gooseneck receivers. We have some pull type receivers. That's a Cat 1-2 right there. That's a Cat 1. Receiver hitches over there for just to tag along. Pine straw rakes, that's another very, very popular item. Ships right to your house, and we've been shipping those out pretty quick here lately. So some good news. We have some Discaro components there ready to be bolted on the frames. There's some more post hole digger booms. I'm telling you, that subcompact post hole digger, that's best ever made. The geometry, design matched. Still have that 48-inch rotary cutter Ted posted a week or so ago. This one's primered. I can't remember the price. It was just over $1,000 plus shipping. So it's primered. That's just a prototype, tested a little bit. It'll have a full warranty, so if you're interested in that, give us a call. I have to look up on Ted's post to see what the price was. So it's kind of quiet in here. It's probably break time. So we'll just take a stroll here. It was pretty loud when I was on my way out, so might not get to see any sparks flying, but at least we'll be able to hear ourselves think. Look at the Bystronic laser there. Got some Hard Ox 450 on it. Don't look like Chucky's got much cooking here. I think Friday's usually maintenance day on these machines, so they might be getting ready to get them all cleaned up for the weekend. Little scrub. We'll take a walk here, see what the welders, you know what the welders have cooking. I mean, we have ramped up this stuff here like crazy. We got the Wicked 55s, always some Wicked 55s rolling, Wickeder 55s. I mean, we've finally getting these batches back the way they should be to roll through some good quantities of those things. So having production shut down for so many weeks, it really hurt. That's why I kind of shied away from my factory walk videos. Just I don't know, I mean, as bad as the guys are discouraged that we're waiting, I mean, we were in the same boat. We don't feel any better about it than you guys waiting. So I just didn't feel right coming through here and not being able to show these huge batches of grapples. So I'll try to get back in the groove as production smooths out. So right there, that's a 30 to 70 extreme Wicked box blade. See that Hard Ox shining there. There we got some Wicked components, landscape rake, break time. How about it? What we're doing? Got some pallet fork frames, compact forks, you know, best fork frames. Start at 2,200 pound capacity, only weigh 238 pounds. Got them Hard Ox rails. What's that? Look at that. Wicked That's a Wickeder 60, 400 pounds. Got the 3 hinge points, hard ox showing itself. There we see another one. So there's some aerator, extreme aerator frames going on. Look here. There's a wicked brush cutter. See the whole back half of that deck, hard ox. That's how Ted could put it on that M6 141, 141 horsepower tractor back over trees and just not worry about it. All the tail wheel bracketry is hard ox now. Got them Timken bearings. I mean, it's just primo. We just keep on up in the game while all these other manufacturers they're cutting the cost, trying to, you know, labor's a problem, so they're cutting the cost. They're trying to save where they can, and just the real person suffering now is the consumer in this marketplace. So at EA, you can rest assured all we're doing is improving. So that's where we get our advantage, and we'll keep it up. Guys hanging out on break. What's up? There's All-Star Arthur. Been here since the beginning of the new EA factory. Got Ryan there. Tell Ryan a little less eating, a little more Wicked Tooth bars. Bad timing, he said. Hope y'all have a good weekend. Got some Wicked blade pans there. Wicked 55, always going on. Right here's the first of the line where they're tacking them up. Look at that. Got all this good stuff. Got a tacked up 72 brush cutter. Got that DOM tubing. We still use the DOM round tubing on the lower tines, not just some pipe. Most manufacturers don't leave that bottom exposed, so you can't tell what the bones are, but we like to show off our bones. Well, you know what I mean. Look at this. There's the back tail wheel assembly for the cutters, all that hard ox, 100%. Another 30 to 70. Wicked box blade. Look at all that support in between the mold boards. Look under a competitor's box blade, or competitor. Look up under another manufacturer's box blade. We won't call them what I just called them, but hey, proof is in the pudding. Right there's that hard ox rail. It gets a bevel from the milling machine, complete with the tines. You're talking 238 pounds. So that's called lift maximizing there. Got a Wicked 60 there. Look at this. Wicked 60 ready for a bath, ready for some paint. Some gnarly looking alternating depth, extreme aerator, independent wheels. Look at all those laser cut plates we put together there to form that wheel. That's gets the weight. I mean, 700 pounds for a 36-inch aerator, 1,200 pounds for a 60. We got the 48 in between it, so we can dial it up, just match up about anything perfectly for the tractor. So you don't have to settle when you come to EA. We know what you need, we build it right. So these are weld-on plates. Like if you're converting your bucket or something to a universal quick attach with one of our adapters by WR Long, this is 3/8 laser cut steel there. So I mean, look at how substantial it is. Landscape rake time bars. There's some hard ox. Gonna be some Wicked ripper shanks, 100% hard ox. strongest, most premium box blade shank ever made. So let's roll on through here. I don't know if Facebook's gonna take this video. It's a little long. Facebook kind of buggy here lately with the notifications and all that. So what we see here, we have some augers boxed up, post hole digger gearboxes with those red, you see the red shields there. We manufacture those in here. It's a Wicked 55. Got the Big Daddy 660 pound Wicked 66. See there, what a trio there. Wicked 66 in front, got a 55, got a 60. So Wicked 55, it's like 240 pounds. Then we jump to Wicked 60, that's 400 pounds. And then Wicked 66, which has been punished with our 141 horse Kubota, 660 pounds of, it don't care what you do to it. We have back here, right there's a primered up Wicked 66. Got the Euro Global, Euro Quickie Global, is what John Deere calls it. Ready for a big deer, it's gonna be green. Got some brush cutters rolling out, so take you over here through assembly real quick. I know we have some painted up Wicked 55s right here in assembly. We got a few more out back. What's up, guys? All right, Universal Quick Attach Wicked 55s. Gotta throw in that for you. So hope you guys enjoyed the stroll through the factory. Hope you have a great weekend. I'll try to get out here more often as things get a little smoother with production. We are working very hard at it on those new welding bays down there just for you. We got to get this stuff rolling. Have a great Labor Day weekend. Just give us a call, 866-581-5818. Email sales@everythingattachments. We'll fix you up with the best attachments for your tractor. Take care. Travis out.